The world of budget travel is a limitless opportunity to explore, connect, and learn, all while being mindful of expenses. It promotes the idea of thoughtful spending and prioritizing experiences over material goods. It is through this form of travel, people can cherish the authenticity of local stays and delicacies, taking a divergent path from typical touristic ventures. Not only this, practicing budget travel can potentially unlock possibilities of extended stays or visiting multiple destinations. The advantages are more than just monetary. It's about enriching the soul with experiences. Planning a budget for travel is an important part of your pre-trip preparations. Starting with an overall budget, divide your estimated costs into categories such as accommodation, food, travel, and miscellaneous. Prioritize according to your needs and try to stick to the set limits. Keep a track of your expenses during the trip. This will not only help you stay within your means, but also allow for necessary adjustments. Remember, wise budget planning can make your trip financially stress-free and more enjoyable. Accommodation often forms one of the biggest parts of the travel budget. There are several ways to curb this expenditure. Consider off-peak bookings, which often come with reduced rates. Use rewarding programs of hotel chains for additional discounts or perks. Also, think about alternative accommodations, such as hostels which provide the basics at lower rates, or home swaps to experience living like a local. Each option has its charms, and the savings can be substantial, turning luxurious destinations into viable options. Saving on airfare can have a big impact on your budget. Utilize flight comparison sites to find the best deals and consider flexible dates for cheaper fares. Traveling during off-peak times can also lead to savings. Once in your destination, use public transportation to get around inexpensively. Buses, trams, metros, and shared bicycles can be a cost-effective choice, with the added bonus of experiencing the locale like a resident. Remember, every penny saved on transport can be utilized for memorable experiences. Food and activities are integral parts of any trip. You can save on meals by frequenting local eateries over tourist-targeted restaurants, or even try self-catering if facilities allow. As for activities, consider using city tourism cards, which offer discounts on multiple attractions. Look for free or donation-based activities too. Remember, exploring a city on foot or relaxing in a public park can be just as rewarding. So, enjoy the local experience without breaking your budget by making informed, savvy choices. While the goal is to stay within our budget when traveling, it does not mean we should cut corners on our safety and security. Hence, an essential part of budget planning is investing in travel insurance. It is a small price to pay for the reassurance that any unexpected incidents or emergencies will be covered. Make it a point to understand what's included in your policy and adjust coverage as necessary. Remember, being prepared can truly ensure a worry-free and enjoyable trip.